back to NG Auto Review, and today we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota BZ4X, Toyota's latest all-electric SUV that's been updated to stay competitive in the rapidly growing EV market. This car blends Toyota's reputation for reliability with modern electric performance, and we're going to break it down in detail, starting from the outside, moving into the cabin, then seeing how it performs on the road, and finally talking about pricing. The exterior of the 2026 BZ4X has been slightly refined compared to earlier versions. Toyota has sharpened the front fascia with slimmer LED headlights and a more aerodynamic bumper design that gives it a futuristic but still approachable look. The profile remains sleek with strong character lines, flush door handles, and 20-inch alloy wheels that add presence on the road. Around the back, the continuous LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, making the SUV instantly recognizable at night. Overall, it's modern without being overstyled. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 BZ4X has received meaningful upgrades in both materials and technology. Soft touch surfaces and recycled eco-friendly fabrics dominate the interior, while higher trims add leather-like upholstery for a premium touch. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system, now faster and more responsive with wireless, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display has been repositioned, slightly higher for improved visibility, almost like a mini heads-up display. Space is generous in both rows, with flat floors thanks to the EV platform, making rear seating comfortable even for taller passengers. Cargo space is competitive for the class, easily fitting luggage for a family trip. Performance is where the 2026 BZ4X shows significant progress. The standard model comes with a front-wheel drive setup, producing around 215 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive variant pushes closer to 250 horsepower with dual motors. Acceleration is brisk, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.7 seconds for the AWD version, which is more than enough for daily driving and highway merging. The updated battery pack offers a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, and Toyota has improved charging speed, now capable of going from 10 to 80% in just over 30 minutes at a fast charger. The ride is smooth and quiet, with suspension tuned for comfort rather than aggressive sportiness, staying true to Toyota's family-friendly identity. Pricing for the 2026 Toyota BZ4X starts around $44,000 for the base model, with fully loaded trims crossing into the low $50,000 range. Given the tech upgrades, improved range, and Toyota's reputation for durability, it's a strong contender for anyone looking at an electric SUV in this price bracket. That's our detailed review of the 2026 Toyota BZ4X. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to NG Auto Review for more in-depth looks at the latest cars.